Hi there, I'm Todd. Welcome to TW Home Show, Todd's World Home Show. Today I got a new product I want to share with you guys, and I'm trying to think of where I'm going to use these. Now, I might use them in my garage here, although you see I have this unique lighting with the tube lighting in here. Gives me very nice bright light. I'll leave the link to that video up above here if you're interested in that. But I got a new style lighting that might work for you guys if you don't want to take the time and labor to actually hang the brackets and run this type of lighting. So we've got a new lighting from a company. They've sent it to me, deformable LED garage lights right here. And look at all those LEDs that flip out. So I'm gonna give you a sample here. We'll turn out the tube lighting and we'll put them in our, I've got recessed lighting up here. You can see right here, right there, and I got another one over there. So we'll go ahead and install them in there and see what the difference is in here. But first we'll turn off all the tube lighting. Let me show you that in just a moment. All right, now here's a better example here. We've got all the tube lighting off, and I've just got the recessed ceiling lights. They're not very bright, and you may be in this situation in your garage and look at all those dark corners back there. You can't see all the junk I have very clearly. We'll come take a closer look. I apologize for the messy garage today, but I've got lots of projects going on this season. Another place I look forward to having these lights, and hopefully a large improvement, is over here. This is our pool area, and for my birthday next month I asked for a griddle for my birthday, like a Blackstone. I think I'm gonna get the Pit Boss though. In this little area right here, let me get back. This is a little cove in here, perfect for a barbecue cooking area. You can see our kitchen's right in there, but right in this area, I got a couple can lights up there. Let me turn them on. They're not very bright. I'll show you. There they are. So when you're cooking, you want to have lots of bright lighting, and that's just not going to do it. So I'm going to try those lights in there. So guys, stick around. Let's see what we got. All right, and welcome back. Here they are, the deformable LED garage lights. Deformable LED garage lights. Easy for me to say. There you go, picture of the box. This is a 2-pack now, and these I believe are running on Amazon for about $35 for a 2-pack. And I'll leave the link in the description, video description below for this 2-pack of lights, because I believe they've got a coupon on Amazon right now for $5 off. So if these are good, like I believe they're gonna be, you might wanna check out that link. Now, here they are, nicely packaged. And it looks huge on the box, doesn't it? I mean, the box makes it look like a really huge light. But actually, I kind of like this size here. These flip up individually, these little legs. And it's still kind of compact, so it's not really, I mean, bam, in your face. You got a center down LED section right here, and then all these arms coming out of LEDs. And it just screws into a normal socket. Pull that cap off, screw it into a normal socket. So now you might need this. Now if you're doing it in recessed can lighting, this might be an addition you need, is something like this, an extension, so that it will clear the can and come past the can to your ceiling height. So this will just screw into here, and there you have an extension. Also, if you get one of these, you might be able to direct the lighting up to reach further out corners of your garage instead of just straight down, because you'll have the room to flip these up. It won't be sandwiched up against your ceiling. So You might want to get these whether you have can lights or not. All right, let me get the ladder here going and get up in here and install this 2-pack. I got a 2-pack, so we're gonna see if it makes a difference. Okay.
I've seen that just the other day.
Yeah.
Advertised.
Yeah. We're gonna see how good they work.
Yeah,
Let's screw this in.
that's pretty cool how they did that. It's screwed in like that.
Now on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and point these up to reach the corners of my garage a little better. So we'll test out both ways. Ladies and gentlemen, meet my father, Jim. He's impressed so far, but he hasn't seen the lights go on yet. So we'll turn them on and take a look. All right, I got them both in. This one's more like the arms on it are kind of flat, as you can see. And then the one over here, I've got the arms kind of flipped up so it will reach out to the corners of the garage. And I'm gonna go ahead and let's shut the garage door so we can really tell what's going on. Whoops, sneak peek. I gotta turn off the tube lights though. Just a moment. Okay, dark garage. Here we go. Boom. Now, I got to give you a warning. The instruction pamphlet that comes in it, it says, do not look directly into these lights. They are super bright, super bright. And they say if you want to remove them, wait about 10-15 minutes because they get super hot as well. I believe these run about 250 watts each. So that's another consideration you got to take into effect, how important lighting is in your garage. Now you're just talking about one socket or 2 sockets, so 2 sockets, that's 500 watts on your electricity bill, but if you need the light, you need the light. Let's turn them on. Boom. Now look at the old can light bulbs in there compared to these new deformable bulbs. Careful looking into the light, but there's a little bit of a close-up view there. And I've got those arms kind of bent upwards to give us more outlighting, and these are kind of flat facing down. And my tube lighting came on again. Let me turn those off. There we go. All right, let me get you a better look at the light now. With it plugged in, this is it. And so you can flip these out or have them flat down. And you've got the straight down one right here too as well. This is pointed straight down. And then the one over there, I've got it just flat. All the arms are out straight flat. As you can see there. And it gives me pretty good light. I mean, this is a large garage, guys, so you got to remember. This is a extra large 3-car garage. And it feels like the whole garage is lit up here. We go back here to this junky corner with all the bikes and stuff. I can see everything clearly. So one more test, stick around. I'm gonna go try to light up my new griddle area outside in the pool area. All right, remember, this is the before. This is gonna be my new grilling area, griddle area. And it's a little dark over here, as you can see. I mean, it's okay for ambient lighting, but I mean, come on, I gotta be able to see on the griddle what I'm cooking easily. Pretend this is the griddle, my new griddle I'm gonna get Pit Boss, right? So we gotta replace these. All right, I got them in, and I'll show them to you before we actually turn them on, power them up. There's that one. I got it kind of flattened, fanned straight out all the way around. And in this one, I imagine my griddle to be right here. So I've got those kind of angled out, and then some of them flat right down here. So let me go do the honors and flip the switch. Whoops. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That is so bright. Let me get you around here to show you. Okay. Bam. It looks like daylight in there. So bright. All around every corner of that little enclosed area. So bright. Now I can imagine cooking here. I can see everything really good, all the way down to the bottom corners, all the way around here. There's our kitchen in there. There's the lighting. So I'll show you a few before and after photos, just so you can remember. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the entertainment here. And like I said, the links will be in the video description below, and I believe there's a $5 off coupon, so you might want to jump on it if this looks like a solution that would be good for you, like it is going to be great for my new griddle area. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.